Rectangle tool R. The rectangle tool R in Figma is one of the most versatile tools for creating rectangles and squares. Let's explore its features and shortcuts. To start, simply press R on your keyboard to activate the rectangle tool. It's that easy. You can round the corners by entering a radius value in the Properties panel. For even more control, click the individual corners icon to set different radius for each corner. Prefer a hands-on approach? Hover over your rectangle and drag any of the circle handles inside it to adjust the radius. Hold Option or Alt on Windows to adjust each corner independently. Need to unify them again? Hold Option while dragging and your corners will sync back to a single value. Corner smoothing is another unique feature. It's tucked inside the individual corners section. We'll dive deeper into this in a later tutorial, but it's perfect for creating soft, rounded designs. Mastering the rectangle tool, R, opens the door to countless design possibilities. Experiment with these features to bring your ideas to life.